YouTube. We're down the allotment and we're going to do a quickie, not a lot, tour. And well, this is what we got, as you've seen last time. Cherry tomatoes are coming. Beans are still nothing. Dwarf French beans, nothing. Tomatoes. All of that. Radish are doing well though. Lettuce are coming, and the beetroot and the carrots. Well, you see a few there, look. Got some nigella. Cornflowers. Even the parsnips come in. Sweet corn. Swede. Delphiniums. That is the cucumber. Sprouts behind. Cabbage right at the back. Leeks in the big pots there. And all of that. Needs a good water though. Plus, we'll go outside in a minute, but even kettle's done. That needs to go up home. That big tray there. And we need to move all of this stuff out the way, and down this side and along the back we got some topsoil in the car, so we'll be bringing that in. Anyway, YouTube, the kettle's boiled. I shall see you in a minute. Right, look, there he goes. Down there on the bench. There. And there. Couple of sweet peas. Still alive. Nothing much happening there. We put these in the other day. Still alive. We've had a couple of frosts. Beds are looking good now. I got 2.5 bags left for the greenhouse. Topsoil. Just our sweet peas. What are these looking like? They're still alive. Still in there. Couple of little seedlings look. And they're growing now, look. They've come up a bit. And that's probably the worst looking of the sweet peas. Looking good, YouTube, mainly. Got some topsoil there. Looking good. Right, what I'm going to do is done these two. Hello YouTube. Guess what? My battery ran out. And I didn't have another one. Oh well, never mind. What you were saying is that the beds, I'm going to do 2 beds with the soil, topsoil, and the other one I'm going to leave. See what? And compare, hopefully, and see what happens. But I've come out into the greenhouse and the door's just come off. Well and truly knackered. Oh well, I did tell them. Anyway, here's all the stuff I've done from the allotment. I ran out of room, so I had to bring it home. It's all the flowers. Well, I say all flowers. I've got 4 tomato plants there, 3 money makers, and a plum tomato for our dad to grow here. Because he likes growing his tomatoes. But the rest are flowers. Might take these cornflowers here, back down. Actually, I might swap them out. I might take a pack of zinnias down. Pack of Cosmos Dwarf. When the lupins have grown on a bit, mind you, it looks like they've been eaten. I will swap them out. So that's what we've done, YouTube. We're pretty much up together, I think. Might put some carrots and stuff in, end of the month. But we'll have to see about this door. I did tell them that this nut, you can't get a hacksaw in. How many times can you tell someone? Anyway, we won't go there. Anyway, YouTube, that'll be us done for another week. I shall see you on Tuesday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell, and all that. See you later, YouTube. Bye.